Imagine you want to revolutionize the morning wake-up. An orchestration of sound and imagery. Your idea? A smart device that plays music and projects images. But how can you know if your idea will be desirable, customizable, profitable, and whether you can deliver it before any global competitor does? With 3DEXPERIENCE, you can validate your customers' desires by going beyond corporate boundaries, accessing knowledgeable, secure communities to extend your own pool of experts. Leverage social ideation and modeling to get meaningful customer feedback early in the process. When it's time to move into creation, mechanical, electronics, and software engineers all collaborate on a single platform. With no data transfers or translations, product performance and manufacturability can be simulated early in the process. All business and technical people using the same model makes it easy to see project status, reuse know-how, and deal with changes. 3DEXPERIENCE integrates it all. Data-driven project management with analytics and dashboards, mechatronics development, and product lifecycle management. Getting to market ahead of your competition and at target cost is not just a dream. Find out more today.